I just ordered Asus Vivobook Pro from Amazon, and this is what I've got. Let me unbox it and see how it is and what are the contents in it. The box seemed to be fine. Okay, so thankfully Amazon has not put the tagging and everything to the Asus box. And this is the Asus Vivobook. It looks like a suitcase and definitely seems to be good. Seal is on, so yeah, let's see how it is. And is it the same thing which I've ordered? I've ordered Asus Vivobook Pro with the OLED screen. So just trying to see, is it with OLED? Yes, it does says it's with OLED. So let me just remove the sticker. Okay, I'm supposed to open it like this. So it says the Vivobook Plus environment. Oh, that's how it's on. And here is the laptop. So we'll go to the laptop. Before that, something on the OLED part tells that it's OLED. Few books. And yeah, the favorite part which I've seen everywhere is like a lot of stickers. It's the load, explore more. Many lot of the stickers, so you could go through that later. Then some Asus branding box. This is the charger cable. I think here should be the charger. It's a good, nice brick charger, but it's a 120 watt charger. And now the main part, that's the laptop. So here is the laptop with Asus Vivobook and with this full branding of the creators. So this one is with OLED screen, and that is what it is. So let me just power on and see if it powers on, or maybe I think the battery is fully dead. So it looks like I would have to charge this. So yeah, as of now the product seems to be good and right.